In Islamabad, the World Peace Jirga Program has been working tirelessly for over 2 decades to promote progress and prosperity throughout Pakistan. Collaborating closely with the Pakistan Army and governmental bodies across various provinces, including Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, Sindh, Balochistan, Punjab, and Kashmir, the World Peace Jirga Program has been instrumental in establishing jirgas aimed at enhancing development in critical sectors such as healthcare, education, and employment. Led by Rayatullah Khan, whose significant contributions have garnered recognition both locally and globally, the World Peace Jirga Program has achieved notable milestones. Khan's advocacy resulted in the Nobel Prize nominations for Pakistani children Malala Yousafzai and Hina Khan in 2012. Khan Baba's enterprises, Khan Baba World Services and Khan Baba WorldLink Travels, have the potential to strengthen international business ties and attract investments to Pakistan. Today, a press conference is being held to administer oaths and nominate members for Khyber Pakhtunkhwa at both the provisional and divisional levels. Mr. Shakir Ullah, president of WPJP in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa, will lead these proceedings, underscoring the program's commitment to grassroots engagement and representation. Looking ahead, a donor conference is scheduled for early June 2024 at the Convention Center, where government officials and potential donors will convene. Subsequent international-level donor conferences are planned in the United Kingdom, the United States, and Canada, reflecting global interest in investing in Pakistan's future. Despite these positive efforts, the World Peace Jirga Program remains concerned about increasing illegal activities within Islamabad and diplomatic enclaves. During a recent press conference on April 22, WPJP highlighted the urgent need to curb unlawful activities within these areas. Despite dispatching formal letters to key authorities, including the Interior Ministry and other officials, little action has been taken. The presence of Afghan nationals associated with IOM activities within the diplomatic enclave remains unchecked. The World Peace Jirga Program is committed to safeguarding Islamabad and will pursue legal action, including approaching the Supreme Court if necessary, to address these pressing concerns. In conclusion, the World Peace Jirga Program is steadfast in its commitment to advancing Pakistan's development agenda, advocating for women's rights, and addressing critical challenges such as education and healthcare. Their mission extends beyond advocacy. It's about ensuring the prosperity and peace of Pakistan as a whole.